Okay. I actually know what day it is today. It's unfortunately Friday. Mike V, TradeGATEHub. Just started going. Just started getting going. Market comes in waves. Let's go to TGH. It's some sort of data. There's no middle ground data. It's either sentiment is either, as we sit right here, or fear and greed in the Bank of America index, I believe is the one that is a little bit more on the greedy side. As I go to the Jesus feed for a second, that was posted last night, I believe, which by the way is all in investors. That's the retail client. Oh, you're killing me. What happened? November 1st. That's today. Right there. Still more. Still stretched. Things are getting stretched. Some things are not, which is why things are in check. The VIX is actually abated. Coming to support, by the way, the VIX for a weekend, a lot of earnings has come out, anywhere from Amazon to Apple to Microsoft, that even Intel is yet to be known if it's a dead cat bounce. Calls are going off and some sexy ideas here, I'm not going to lie. You know what I mean? Look who reported: Microsoft, Meta, Coin, Hood, Carvana. Shorted Carvana made a nice trade. I'm over it. Etsy actually held something. Starbucks is breaking out through 100. Most active list. SQQQs. Let's go to this list. Issue them on this one. I don't know where to even start today. Like I said, there's no middle ground. I'm either zoomed in on stock, or I'm very aware what's going, what an overhang. It's not like I'm worried about what's going to happen Monday or over the weekend. Maybe I should, but for me, it's either maybe Coach makes makes fun of me, but says I'm a little bit more short term. Yeah, I am. When you freaking have Uber down 12, making a 12-point move, 14-point move in 2 days, why do I have to be any long term? So all these inside days and everything. Long term, I'm aware, obviously. It's election, whatever, 6-7 days away. I get it. I get the inflows of stocks into Europe, China flows. I understand everything that's going on. It doesn't mean I have to implement. You know what I mean? I'm playing, you know, percent gainers on the day. See, look at this freaking thing. That's interesting. CDXC, write it down. ADMA bounced. Empty car. Let you know that something's up here. I bought a little GME, GameStop. You might have heard of it. I am short. Right? Here's car. That's a meme. You don't tell me Avis budget all of a sudden. Everything turned around. Well, actually, the travel stocks are. Here's car. I wish it was over the 200-day. That would cause a tremendous amount of speculation. But that's Avis. We go down to post splits and pre splits and all that. It was 600. It's got it in it. So I bought a little GME. Maybe the memes take it a little bit later today. I chased it. If it doesn't work, do I want holding this dog? No. But if I go to the chat, I chased it. It's holding moving averages. Is Tony Pistachio. I chased it up like a rat. Look at it. I couldn't buy enough of it. Like a pig. NVIDIA, SMCI had a nice bounce on this play. Let's go to the page. Let's go to the page. Microsoft. Right there. What are you going to do here? After earnings broke the moving averages right back up inside. It's going to take time to repair the direction. But in the meantime, look at the range you have. What am I in? Crocs, Boeing, ALK, killing the family. UAL is killing the family. I'm sure UAL. I'm in trouble. Trouble. Came in all the way yesterday. Delta. What's coming down? What? I'm in the Wolf. Actually, it's going down. The stock's in play. Let's get to this. Roblox after the big day yesterday, resting. Twilo work. Amazon, obviously 200. Let's talk now. Starbucks. Uber, day delay, give it some time. Held. What else we're looking at here? Apple was down, what, 6 yesterday? Held the 220, I believe. Apple held the 220, 222, not a barn burner. Intel, one day wonder is the turnaround story happen. I don't know. It is at the high of the day for that type of chart. It might be entering some, what do they call that? Phase 1 or phase 2. Who knows? But it's going to take time. Calls are better than the option stock, at least. No, stocks like Carvana. I covered that below. I think I covered it 238. I had it short overnight. I covered it. What else did I cover? Covered what's hurting me? Oil's hurting me. Another stock that's sexy, MIR. Hanging in there. Starbucks, Rocket Labs, by the way, taking calls. RKLB. Let's at the ones of the week today. Percent losers intraday. I can't believe I'm in these earnings. I'm so pissed off. Look at this. What time is it now? 11:15 a.m. Settings. If it doesn't have at least 200,000 shares, or well, you know what the thing is, if it moves 15 minutes, it's got to have there. What do they move? MYGN having a bad day. How you doing? There you go. That's what's keeping the VIX in check. MYGN. What happened here? It's genetics, genetics, anything bio, anything genetics. What else? Donnie. There you go, Donnie. 3 days down, 4 days down now. 54, 32, $30 down. No big deal. AEHR gave it all back. Look at this. I was in a position in this thing. That's that semi play. What else is down? CMPS gave it back. Percent winners. This is the one. Twilo's continuing. Percent gainers intraday. CDXC. Okay. This is the play for today. CDXC. One looks like a couple of drives here. If I see here, it's not even overbought yet. You wanted to hold this 462. Mick, you on this thing? Trading at work? You wanted to hold the 470. It's got 200-day moving support. That is the weekly. So you see the weekly. It's got in it to keep moving. Chromadex. There it is. Stock of the day. It's up to you. Not in it. Holo. Huge day today. Holo. Not interested. ADMA bounce finally. This stock was on my screen. Now it's up. Look at this ADMA. Still in a good trend. Once it had that big down day, I kind of gave up on it. And it was a bio. As you can see, I didn't really give it the news, but it came back nicely. Keep that on. VIR had a huge position in this, sold it, couldn't take it into earnings, and I wouldn't take it into earnings. It did work. Team hanging in there. AMSC worked, American Semiconductor. They told me. I didn't listen. It's not my trade, though. American Semiconductor worked into earnings. Work them down. LAC, Eden, Hut. Dell, Pizza Shack, Pizza, Papa John's. How you doing? All these other stocks held. Papa John's. How about the Shacker? 3 days down, came down low volume, bouncing back. Shacker, Starbucks in the group. Not gonna lie. Eat, the big day yesterday. Hell, going higher. Even these restaurants. What happened to Estee Lauder yesterday? They flushed it out at the low. Mike, I swear to look. Estee Lauder we opened down huge. They bought it, opened down again, closed in the middle. If it gapped, actually what? The market opened up today. Estee Lauder. No range. No range today, Estee Lauder. 67, 68. Opened down huge yesterday. ExxonMobil. Green to red. There's the bad candle on Exxon, if you will. Chevron the opposite. Neither high. Well, actually above Exxon and you know what? Exxon and Chevron, but just like Ford and General Motors, 2000. It's amazing how these stocks that went hand in hand for decades can be so bifurcated That's algos breaking everything down to if it's cold and they can't make parts in Oregon somewhere, it's gonna delay product by 2 hours. So General Motors in Detroit's got the heads up. I don't know what they do. Stocks that got hurt yesterday. Let's keep looking at a couple of them. More macro than anything that I go through my notes here. MGM, short on the bounce, still holding yesterday's low. Caesar, same thing. Coming to support Caesars. Where's UAM? They know I'm short it too. Oh, I have to cover it. CCJ, Wilo, Reddit. I'm in that. Planet there. Dead Cat Bounce. GameStop. Oh, what am I doing? A-Lab, AI, BEK, China stocks, LI. I came on, it was look at this LI. It was just freaking 25.68. I have a lot of it. I don't like what's going on here, at least for me. Amazon, listen, you'll see on this Friday, is Amazon pinned to the 200 strike? I don't know. Baba in the mix, Uber, APLD. Some of these things are down, some aren't. AMPH, Fizzler worked. NXT, if you're upset that that didn't work and it's up yesterday, you got to think about something else. It did delay a bit yesterday, but it was up huge as the other ones are down. Needs rest. UAL. Come on. I can't believe this thing is up like this. Down 12,000 in Delta. Tesla. I'm in it. Sold it. DSLL. Sold it at 12.12. This is gonna take this. Do you want to try something? This Tesla's taking calls here too. Worth the stand. This level, Tesla. Worth the stand. Semi's breaking high. SMCI is not. That was a buy on the bottom. And you holding 100. Obviously, it's a weekend. Let's keep an obvious on crypto, Planeteer, FCX. Golds are doing nothing in the middle of the range. Oils, like I said, some up, some down. Banks, look, banks. JP and the boys. Wells Fargo and the boys. Goldman, the big daddy. Other ones, SYF in the fund. Citizens Financial, CFG. They've been telling me about this one, by the way. CFG, buying. They have been telling me. You know who they are? They know. Soxel calls. Let's go here. 70 people at it. Anybody on here? BC, that's what I like. Dwayne's commenting. He asked me about the SQQQs. I gave my opinion. I actually didn't like them. And he stuck to his plan and did it. Well done. Stuck to his own plan, had a plan, implemented it. That's how you learn. Bivy. All right. I'm not going to talk you out of it. Listen, here's Bivy. I'm not going to talk you out of this type of stock. You know what I mean? You know what you're in for. You get it. It's not acting that badly. It's above the moving averages, if you will, a three major one short term. You need news. You need a catalyst. And when it happens, be the one that, capture it. You're in it for a reason. It's gonna be a melt up day all day long. Beginning of the month, first day of the month, everybody wants in. See this? I'll give you an example. One of our boys, Joe, DJT getting smoked again. He's giving an opinion about a stock. And what is his opinion predicated upon? At least a large part of it. Right here. Options. That's what starts one of them that starts the plan. That's where you get it from. Selling calls. It'll work. Options. It's like if you sit down it's universal. Aside from some countries and some relatives, if you sit down to a meal, usually there's a plate, a fork, a spoon, and a knife. You might be Italian, have 19 other glasses around, or you might have an escargot thing, or a little freaking fork for your seafood. Maybe another spoon, depending on the restaurant. But the majority of the time, no matter what you do, no matter what, fork, spoon, and a knife. Options are the fork, spoon, and knife. Take your pick. Sentiment is the other one, and volume, to my degree, is the other one. Good trade. This TP's been doing some good stuff lately. He's a friend of mine, too. Was I showing Joe Kunkel there? I'm sorry. I don't think I was showing the proper screen. Let me go back to Joe. I think I was showing my charts. Yeah, right here. For example, it all comes down to calls. Sorry if I wasn't on the right screen and being redundant. It's a lesson that doesn't get old. Posted on the public Jesus feed. If you don't not on the public Jesus feed, you're at a disadvantage. It's like the salad plate. 10-year. 10-year. The 10-year. 4.34 new high breakout. DC, way to go. How about I would like a winner. You're at a disadvantage. It's like the salad. A winner, winner in some college football games out there. So when I'm charting on a Saturday afternoon, I could have my television on and maybe win a couple hundred on the Sooners or fading somebody. FXI bullish. FXI bullish. DJT's coming back. Percent losers. 15 minutes. I need an airline. All right, I'm finished. You get the point by now, all right? Looks like a trend day from now. UAL looks like a trend day from now. GameStop. I couldn't try to lose money on GameStop if I wanted to. Delta, down 13,000 in Delta. I cut a lot of it yesterday, too. Cut a lot of it. I wish I could go to yesterday's executions. Settings. Show executions. Doesn't show it yesterday. I wish it did. I covered Delta last night, really, literally, like right here. 57.10. UAL, I covered like 77. All right, I'm married, but not for long. Mike V, thanks for tuning in. I'm here all day. It's about to close today. Give you updates on what hedge funds are doing. Should be here for the 3 o'clock power hour. Matter of fact, I am here because anybody is usually here on a Friday afternoon. A has losers and B has losers. Anybody that has winners, they put in the stops and let them go and play 9 holes and do what they're going to do. Stocks that, again, to look at that have more action today. Wayfair was up huge this morning. At the side, they're coming in with some China calls, by the way, at the end. I'll update that later. The thick side, 6:30 a.m. Wayfair today. Wayfair, after it came out with earnings, here it is. All trading, all 49, 50, 50, 48. Get back 38. Give or take $1. Range, price, action. Hims I had yesterday. I sold it. It's going against the trend. I bought it because it went with Lily. I sold it at the gap. Marvell. I'm in Marvell. I'm in Marvell. You know I'm in Marvell. It's LEU. This stock is the hottest uranium. This stock, hottest stock on the board, uranium. Centrus Energy. This is it. Not even over what this stock. Can you wake up? I'm not kidding. I am not kidding. You could wake up and this stock could be 200. Was 300 before. Broke out of this is a weekly. Broke out of the weekly at 90. This is one of these things that does it. I'm telling you. And you know what? Maybe it's just for today that they're driving up to this Friday into what is a weekly expiration. Maybe the December calls, but they go into December. Jets new high today. That's it. Getting out. It's over. It's over. The Jets ETF. The Jets won last night, I think. Look at the Jets ETF. Snow on the high. That was down 4 yesterday. Market's going up here. Yeah. All right, Jets. All right. You do have some longs. CRK, HPK, Energy, LI. My average price is 26.44. LI at earnings last night. You know, go to yesterday's video. And I was buying it pretty well for stock that was down 3. Now it's above the 200. LI yesterday was 29.41. Alaska Air bullish. This stock was sums up with these elements. This stock was up huge yesterday too. I'm in SMCI. Did I get taken out of this thing? GameStop can't go. CMG, UAL, Reddit, Carvana, BKE, Devon, all the stock. These if oils go negative to positive, you're into something nice. Twilo, CMG, SMCI, SMCI. Or 28.12. I'm going to sell some SMCI. See all the stocks I'm down, by the way? Penny stocks. New rule 2025, no penny stocks. I'd be up I'd be up millions. 150, 200 penny stocks. Another 150, 280. Thank God I made, that's it. New rules. Lemonade. Where's Jeff Norman? Where's Jeff with lemonade? Add to this freaking thing. Are you kidding me? This thing's just getting going. LEU. Watch this LEU. Putting it on the screen. A little late. Microsoft, Tesla, FCX, CCJ, LTTBR, oils mixed, Zillow going higher, Wayfair, no bounce, Hims a big bounce, CMG a nice bounce, fucking shorting more of you. Why, do you ask? I'll tell you why. Maybe not today because some of these consumers are going up. Why am I shorting, you're asking as well. CMG went to the gap, I've been watching it. The rest of them are kind of weak. It doesn't mean it's going back to zero. Oh, that's that's 9:30 a.m. CMG right there. I'll try it. Try it. That's it. 58.40. Think it might go back $1. Is it worth it in this the market? Try to make short in $1 or something. I'm aware of the stock, and right now, what is this? Amazon at all-time highs. We're in that. UAL Jets. This is the UAL chart. Where's the Fibonacci? There's Jets blowing past Fibonacci levels. And I'm in it. What a fucking piker. ALK, brought it up before. And there's Joe. We're all chasing the same stuff. See ALK 26 seconds ago? Now, I have a lot of stocks on my board, but not that many. And ALK, if ALK is on my board, something's up. We're all chasing the same stuff. Alaska Airline. Alaska Airlines. People flocking to Alaska. Apparently. Michigan State. Now we're talking. All right. Might have value added. DC, this parlay, how about a parlay? Northwestern on money line. Northwestern money line. And I'm sure they're an underdog because you're telling me money line. Parlay into Michigan State. That wins. That's worth a sweatshirt, TGH sweatshirt. As a matter of fact, that's worth a polo shirt. Nice. I got action. Serious. I'll show you the ticket. Fact. I will show you the ticket. I'll take a picture and show you on TGH. ALK. Oh, no. This is not good for the airlines. Joe Kunk. Everybody's on. It's just like Jesus just went. ALK. You know what I'll do, though? I'll put my ego aside. I'm buying the freaking fund. ALK. New order. Here it is. Is an MP5. By 2000. You know what? Don't chase it. By 1200 ALK in the fund at the market. Boom. And I do have Marvell. I have Marvell from 84.97. Nice chase, Mike V. Stock I'm buying more of as we speak in the fund, you ask? Wolf. No offense, Tony Pistachio. One of the top 10 calls off the board. December, January, May. All right, what else? Oh, you know what? LEU. All right, fine. You know what? We're a little late, and that's fine. But we're doing it. Like 200 LEU to get involved. Black trading DC. I wish I could be at the casino right now and give you live. I'd be going Michigan State points 500 parlay. SMCI bearish. They got to take something down. Reddit bullish. ALK. Everybody's on this thing. Everybody is on it into going to January. It's short term. ENBX. Percent losers 15 minutes. Out of an airline. Peton giving it up. Percent gainers in 15 minutes. AUR sold it yesterday. ENVX battery play. Apple reaches deal to acquire. Dell bullish. Any good? I can't even think about stocks now. I'm thinking about Michigan State. Like over. JX battery. That's good. US taking calls too, but you know what? The news was out. It's a battery maker. I get it. But if you want to, QS, another one, binary calls. You should go to March QS 5 calls, bid for them, wherever they are. UAM. Yeah, okay. Everybody's in the pool. All right. Delta. UAL. Came back 50 cents. You know what that UAL, you know what 50 cents does to me? A lot. I'll show you UAL. My covers yesterday. Executions. UAL. What's going on here? See, look at these losers. Be honest. They're all penny stocks. Delta, JM, LI. Dollar General. Look at this fucking thing. I pounded it. Dollar General. Where is it? Trades. Buying it and I'm selling. I sold 8,000 of this thing. Where is? Oh, that's yesterday's trades. Oh, executions. 80. Sold it at 80. I saw calls going all day yesterday and this morning. Where's the chart here? Where are my charts? Going. It doesn't look like it's going, but it's Dollar Tree, same thing. Never put in a low. Dollar General. This was my hedge for the economy. I'm playing with. That's upsetting. Amazon, the 100 and Royal Caribbean's down. Every freaking other UAL. Everything is down except LEU. I probably top pick that one. Wayfair, Sweet Green, with CMG. Yeah. TGTX, another one. You want a winner? TGTX. This stock is going a bio, therapeutics, acting well calls as another weekly TGTX. As a matter of fact, TGX the market. Bitcoin's going lower. Root. Okay, let me leave it with this. Okay, no matter what type of trader you are, root. Okay. Stock yesterday morning closed at 39. Obviously, you know there's heavily shorted insurance, like Lemonade. They do insurance, I believe. Stock opened at 78. Had the opening range breakout. Continued to go up another, what, $50. 117.62. There you go. Range price action. Okay. Should be buying more Amazon in the fund. Oh my God, I'm up in LEU. All right, Mike V, I'm here all day. It's about how we close. Multiple accounts, transparency, definitely not the question here or an issue. All right. It was long term, the short term. It's what we do best, Mike V. I'll try to do better the next time. Thanks to the team behind this, Coach.